Good evening. It has been a long fight tonight. More than 18,000 people who suffered catastrophic injuries in car accidents are celebrating a victory.
The Court of Appeals announcing its decision to restore unlimited medical coverage for people hurt before a 2019 state law took effect. News 10's Tanaya Jordan talked with one of those car crash victims tonight. Tanaya.
David and Ann, this legal victory not only helps those who need around-the-clock care, it helps healthcare providers too.
My home care agency will be able to be paid at 100% of the rate that they need to be in order to stay strong, and I won't have to worry about one, losing my care, and two, about losing my home.
Life for Diane Mills Gutierrez changed July 22, 2016, when a head-on collision on M52 left her with a broken neck and spinal injuries. She spent the next 3 months at Mary Free Bed Hospital for inpatient rehabilitation.
But I've been dealing with the effects of that, especially since then, because the paralysis affects most of my body from the chest down.
Diane says she needs 24-hour care for basic things due to limited use of her hands and legs. When changes were made to no-fault insurance, her home care agency was only reimbursed for 55% of her 24-hour care. When her husband became her main caregiver, he was only paid for half the care he provided.
And so that really hurt us the most, because it cut our income in half, and suddenly we were concerned about being able to, especially like to pay the mortgage and all of the bills.
The Court of Appeals decision says people like Diane who were injured before 2019 will have their benefits restored back to normal.
So the fight was whether do these people get to keep the rights that they had, and the Court of Appeals said yes, they do. The legislature did not intend to take away their rights in passing this new law, and so this makes a big deal difference for those catastrophically injured people who were relying upon those old rights.
People injured after 2019 are still subject to the 45% cut in reimbursements and the 56-hour cutoff for caregiver compensation. The decision could be appealed to the state Supreme Court. Ann and David, back to you.
All right, Tanaya, thank you. Diane Mills Gutierrez is just one of thousands who will see their benefits restored.
One particular case Red Wings fans will remember: hockey star and member of the Russian Five, Vladimir Konstantinov. Now, he suffered severe brain damage when a drunken limousine driver crashed the car in 1997 after celebrating a Stanley Cup Series victory with members of the team. Because of the 2019 law, Konstantinov's care provider said it lost $200,000 for his care. And with today's ruling from the appeals court, he will now get the money for the care he needs. But the battle is not over. Auto insurance agencies are expected to appeal. Separately, the legislature could change the law and send it to the governor, but there has been no willingness by Republican leaders to act.